Today's tutorial is how to look decent in under 5 minutes. So I'm going from this to this. Not too bad. Look a little bit better, you know? So now let's begin working towards looking decent. My favorite hairstyle to do on the fly is to just throw it up in a ponytail or a bun and then throw a headband on it, and it looks classy, it looks cute, fashionable, chic, all those good adjectives. Okay, so I just do like a quick spray so I can get all those flyaways if you have any. If you have greasy hair, perfect. It's a great hairstyle for that. That is not a middle part. Okay, now it's a middle part. With short hair, has to be a low pony. Headband. Throw that on. There we go. And if you have 30 more seconds to spare, throw some earrings on. Okay, so now we're going on to the face, and what I love to put on before my makeup is an oil. I wash my face and then I throw this one on by The Ordinary 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. And I just love putting this on because it really hydrates the skin, and I just dab it on. Because skin is usually drier in the winter, I love a good oil. When I'm moving quick, I use this IT Cosmetics CC cream. I use the shade medium, and it has SPF. It comes in a little tube, so it's easy to squirt out, and it just gives great coverage, makes my skin look really like healthy, so you don't really have to do much. So I'll just squirt a little bit on, like that, and I just use my fingers. It's so quick. When I'm moving quickly, I love using my hands for everything. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer for my under eyes, and I'm using Marc Jacobs concealer. This is in the shade Light 20. And I'll just take some with my fingers and dab underneath the eye just to brighten up. It just completely refreshes your face, like you had a full night's rest, even though I definitely didn't, because my daughter loves coming into my room in the wee hours of the night. And I especially like focusing on the inner corner. I feel like that really brightens up the face right in here. I'm going in with a blush, which I find is like one of the most important steps because it really just gives you that youthful, you know, fresh look. I'm gonna be using Glossier's Cloud Paint in the shade Beam. And you just need the tiniest amount and just rub that in. I rub and then I dab. Next is eyebrows, and I feel like everyone needs to make time for eyebrows. It completely changes your face when your eyebrows are looking fly. So, I mean, you gotta fit this in. It's a very important step. I just follow the natural shape of my brow, fill in any areas, brush it up quickly. Ba-doo-ba-doo. Voila. Oh, what I'm using right now, this is by Hourglass. What shade is this? I'm using their Brow Micro-Sculpting Pencil in Warm Blonde. Hourglass. Okay, don't have time to do like a full eyeshadow, but I love using Sigma eyeshadow base primer. They come in a bunch of different shades, and they're just so easy to throw on. This is in Bubbly, and it has a bit of shimmer to it. And then dab it out. Okay, now eyelashes. Give them a quick little curl, even though mine don't curl. Okay, going in with some mascara. Now this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Quickly swipe that through a couple times. If you have some more time and you want to look, you know, even more awake, line your waterline with like a white or a really light cream shade, and it just adds a little bit more brightness to your face, to your eyes. I'll take that same shade on and just like dab it in the inner corners. Now I'm gonna do lips, and I just love throwing a gloss over top of everything. This is by Narcissist in the shade Tetiaroa. I don't know. It's not as pink as it looks though. It's really subtle, but I love the shine. And if you got 30 more seconds to spare, I take a darker shade. This is another lip balm, but it's a colored one by Crayola and Clinque. I've had this forever. Just in here, under here, and then a little under here, not throughout the whole lip, and kind of creates this gradient. Okay, so that's that. And if you have eczema like me, priorities, eczema cream. I got eczema on my hands. I look a little bit more alive, got some color on my cheeks, color on my lips, you know, eyebrows done, brightness on the eyes. That's all I really need. And then look, it looks like I spent some time on my hair, because I did, but it was like a minute. So that's not bad. Now I'm ready to start the day. Drop my son off at school. Now I'm going to be going and dropping off Autumn, my 3-year-old, at school in a couple hours. So I feel like I'm making good time. Have a great rest of your day or night, whenever it is you are watching this video. And I will see you next time. Bye.